Discovery is an act of detecting something new or something previously unrecognized as meaningful. With regard to sciences and academic disciplines, discovery is the observation of the latest phenomena, new actions or new events, and providing new reasoning to the knowledge gathered through these observations. A discovery may sometimes be supported by earlier discoveries or collaborations or ideas, and some discoveries represent a radical breakthrough in knowledge or technology. But you know what? Discoveries have always sorted human life and made it easier. You might be wondering why this much build up upon discoveries? Yes, because we are going to be learning about some of the greatest discoveries of mankind. Hello everyone, this is your learning coach Vinod Kumar, and today we learn about 5 discoveries that made human life easier. I'm going to ask you questions before discussing each discovery, so get ready to brainstorm and also to learn more. My first question to you: which discovery led the world to travel further and carry heavy load without too much effort? Yes, you guessed it right. It's the wheel. The wheel stands out as an original engineering wonder and one of the most famous inventions. The invention of the wheelbarrow, a one-wheeled cart used to transport goods and raw material, is usually credited to the ancient Greeks. This simple technology not only made travel faster but also served as the basis of a vast range of other innovative inventions. Yet the wheel isn't that old. The oldest known wheel is from Mesopotamia and dated around 3500 BC. By that time, we humans had already cast metal alloys, constructed canals and sailboats, and even crafted complex musical instruments such as harps. While the essential function of the wheel is unchanged, modern wheels are much different from the straightforward wooden wheels of the past. Innovations in material science have made possible all types of tires for bicycles, cars, motorcycles and trucks, including tires designed for rough terrains, for ice and snow. Next up, here's the clue for the next discovery. This discovery made our home last long and stand time against natural forces like thunderstorms, sandstorms, heat, cold, etc. Take your time to guess. You guessed it right one more time. It is concrete. Concrete is one of the most commonly used man-made materials. It is a composite substance consisting of a combination of broken stone and gravel and sand and some cement and water, which can be spread or poured into a mass resembling stone upon hardening. Cement is one of the main elements of concrete. The foundation of cement was laid in the year 1300 BC. Around 3000 BC, the Egyptians used early examples of concrete as a mortar in their constructions. In 1824, the cement of Portland was invented by Joseph Aspdin of England. George Bartolome had laid down the first concrete street in United States in 1891, so which still remains even today. By the end of the 19th century, the use of reinforced concrete was kind of like established, and now almost 97% of all homes are made with concrete. To the third discovery. Here's the clue for you to guess. Which discovery enabled us to eat cooked food? Yes, it's the fire. While fire is a natural occurrence, its invention as a practical weapon marks a revolution in the pages of history. In fact, the regulated use of fire is likely to predate the appearance of Homo sapiens. There is evidence of food cooked from about 1.9 million years ago, before the evolution of Homo sapiens. There is also evidence of the regulated use of fire by our ancestors, Homo erectus, who were before the Homo sapiens. Fire had been used in ceremonies, agriculture, for heating, for producing heat and illumination, for signaling, in the manufacturing methods, and also as a method of devastation from the past to the present. It can easily be considered as one of the world's leading inventions that has changed the world. Hope you are ready for the fourth clue. This invention was used to bind two pieces of wood together strongly, and also nowadays used to hang our photos in the wall. Don't think of Fevicol. Yes, again you guessed it right. It's the nail. The first nails were made of wrought iron. Nails date back at least to ancient Egypt. So bronze nails found in Egypt have been dated to about 3400 BC. Nails were formerly made from bronze or iron and were crafted by blacksmiths and nailers. In ancient time, there was a separate occupation called nailers. These were the craftsmen who specialized in the making of nails. It is a tedious process to create these nails in olden days. These craftsmen used a heated square iron rod that they would have forged before and hammered its edges so it forms the head of a nail. After reheating and isolating, these nailers or blacksmith insert these recent nail into the gap and hammer it. Think about this process for making thousands of nails to piece wood together to make machinery. Later, new ways of creating nails were created using machines to shear the nails before winging the bar sideways to supply a shank. So sophisticated human life wouldn't be easy for not the invention of the standard nail. Prior to the invention of nails, wood structures were actually engineered together using ropes. Imagine sitting in a chair tied together with ropes. Okay, now last but not the least clue for you. Which discovery has made not just our homes but also the utensils in our homes strong and durable? Yes, you guessed it right. It's steel. Around 400 BC, Indian metal workers fabricated a smelting technique. Okay, that used clay receptacle referred to as a vessel to carry the liquefied metal. Okay, so what these people did was that they placed bars of iron and items of charcoal into the crucible, then sealed the container and inserted them into a chamber. Okay, so this was a tedious job. The celebration of invention of steel production sealed the means of the production of steel, creating it as one of the most common and most important industries in the world. Currently, steel is employed within the creation of everything from bridges to skyscrapers. It is an alloy of iron, typically consisting a couple of percentage of carbon to enhance its strength and tensility, and it can gather much resistance compared to iron. So many other elements can also be added to steel. Stainless steel that are corrosion and oxidant resistant need typically a further probably 10 to 11% of chromium, and we use these stainless steel in all our utensils. Due to its long lasting tendency and low cost, steel is employed in buildings, infrastructure developments, in making tools, building ships, trains, cars, machineries, electrical appliances, and even to make weapons. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Hope you like this video. So please do click on the like button and do check out other videos on some more discoveries which helped mankind tremendously. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant notification when we release any video on astronomy and space science. Do check out www.learnspacescience.com for programs and courses on astronomy and space science for your kids. Until I see you in another video, this is your learning coach Vinod signing off.